Welcome to my weekly Plan With Me videos. And this is where I show you guys how I put together my weekly planner. The first thing I do is use my highlighter pen to highlight the dates for that week. Now I'm highlighting the days of the week in a different color. And these are my brand colors for my website. Side note, those colors came from an outfit that Michelle Obama wore. I thought it was the prettiest color combination I had ever seen. I hadn't seen those colors put together before, and I found it very striking, so I wanted to use it for my website brand colors. And here's a picture of that outfit. Isn't it cute? Next, these are my tasks that I need to complete for the week. First thing on that list is to create a podcast press kit. The second thing on the list is to move my podcast over to Spotify. I've been meaning to do that forever and I still haven't done it. That's why it's on my list. And the third thing I need to get completed is to finalize my digital stickers for my digital stationery shop. I'm in the process of creating different combinations. Next is my focus of the week. And here I want to stay focused on doing something towards my business goals every day. If I keep that at the top of my mind, I will keep accomplishing things that I want to do. The app I'm using for this is the GoodNotes app, which is a note-taking app. The planner I'm using is from a company called Noteamine. You can find them on Etsy. And I also use an Apple Pencil to do the highlighting and writing. I also use the keyboard to type in the text using a font that looks like handwriting because my handwriting is not the best in the world. So the fonts help to create a neat appearance on my pages. Next, I pull in graphics or images and pictures to add to my planner to make it look cute and festive. This quote is from Kurt Vonnegut. I grabbed it from Instagram and I thought it was a great quote. I love quotes, so I always put them on my pages and in my planners and on my vision boards and journal pages just to give that boost of inspiration. And next, I'm using one of my haiku poems that I wrote, and I'll be selling these as digital stickers in my stationery shop. And that'll be coming very soon, so stay tuned to that. And what I'm doing here is resizing it so that it fits snugly in place. I get rid of all of the excess spacing around it and so that it can fit better on the page. Even though these are digital stickers, you can also print them out on sticker paper and you can use them in your journals, your paper journals and things like that. Here I'm switching from the regular pen to a brush pen so that I can make this circle. And this circle starts out skinny and gets thicker so that, to give it a little pizzazz instead of just being a regular circle. We don't want nothing regular. Next, I'm filling in the things that I need to do during the week. I want to get certain things done on particular days. I have to gather some assets for my YouTube book review videos, and that means gathering graphics and images. The next thing is to record the actual YouTube book review for one of the books I just finished. Here's a close-up look of what I've written so far. This is my process for getting my week organized, and I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.